Capture buttery-smooth videos and cinematic shots with ease using the best gimbal for S24 Ultra. This essential accessory stabilizes your smartphone, eliminating shaky footage while enhancing your vlogging, travel videos, and creative projects with professional-grade stability and control. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Osmo Mobile SE. The DJI Osmo Mobile SE is a highly capable portable gimbal that's an ideal companion for the Samsung S24 Ultra. One of its standout features is its foldable compact design, making it easy to slip into a bag or pocket for on-the-go filming. Its magnetic phone clamp system allows for rapid attachment and detachment, which is excellent for creators who need to capture spontaneous moments. The Osmo Mobile SE's 3-axis stabilization technology significantly reduces shakes and jitters, providing smooth cinematic footage whether you're rocking, running, or panning. What sets this gimbal apart is its updated Active Track 6.0. This intelligent tracking feature locks onto subjects, be it an energetic child, a playful pet, or yourself, and follows them with impressive accuracy. Combined with the DJI Mimo app's integration for smart controls and editing assistance, users can access features like shot guides for step-by-step filming guidance, and a variety of templates in the Lightcut app for post-production polish. Another clever addition is its compatibility with smartwatches through the Mimo app, enabling remote control for filming, adjusting angles, and taking shots directly from your wrist. Its ergonomic design features a stain-resistant, non-slip texture for a secure, comfortable grip during extended shooting sessions. The new status panel allows users to quickly view battery levels, gimbal modes, and system status at a glance. Switching between modes like follow, tilt lock, FPV, and spin shot is seamless, enhancing creative options for dynamic shots. It's fully compatible with a range of smartphones, including the S24 Ultra, iPhones, and Huawei devices. Number 2. DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal builds on the strengths of its predecessors and adds a layer of polish ideal for Samsung S24 Ultra users aiming to produce studio-quality mobile videos. With its updated Active Track 6.0, the gimbal keeps up effortlessly with fast-moving subjects, making it perfect for tracking kids, pets, or action shots without a second person's assistance. This makes solo filming not only possible, but remarkably smooth and professional. 3-axis stabilization ensures that every video you shoot is free of shakes and jitters, even when walking or running. The lightweight foldable design weighs just 305 grams, making it a portable solution for travel, vlogging, and everyday adventures. A built-in extension rod enhances versatility, letting you capture creative angles, wide group selfies, or high and low shots with ease. The addition of a side wheel is a welcome touch, allowing users to control focus and zoom manually for artistic effects like cinematic blur or dramatic zooms. This feature elevates your mobile filmmaking, offering effects typically reserved for more advanced equipment. For those who appreciate convenience, the Osmo Mobile 6 also supports smartwatch remote control via the Mimo app, providing additional functionality for remote operation. The compact ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during prolonged shoots, while its long battery life supports extended filming sessions without frequent recharging. Number 3. DJI Osmo Mobile 7 Gimbal. Designed with serious mobile videographers in mind, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 Gimbal takes stabilization and user experience to new heights. Compatible with smartphones like the Samsung S24 Ultra, this model boasts enhanced 3-axis stabilization for flawlessly smooth footage, even when recording dynamic, fast-paced scenes. The gimbal's foldable, lightweight design, tripod, and built-in ergonomic grip make it highly practical for both casual outings and professional projects. One of its most impressive updates is the Active Track 7.0, which offers more diverse and intelligent tracking scenarios than its predecessors. With an operating time of up to 10 hours and the ability to charge your phone via USB-C while filming, it's built for long, uninterrupted sessions. Osmo Mobile 7 also integrates a status panel for real-time battery and mode updates, ensuring you're always in control. Switching between modes like FPV, follow, and spin shot is simple, providing creative flexibility for unique video effects. At only 300 grams, it's lightweight enough for extended use without causing fatigue, and its anti-slip handle offers a comfortable, secure grip.
Number 4. Hohem X3 SE Plus. The Hohem X3 SE Plus is a budget-friendly, yet impressively capable gimbal for Samsung S24 Ultra users who want professional-looking footage without breaking the bank. Its standout feature is the detachable remote controller, which connects via Bluetooth and allows remote operation up to 32 feet away, perfect for vloggers, solo travelers, or anyone wanting to capture themselves hands-free. Powered by Hohem's upgraded iSteady 8.0 anti-shake system, the X3 SE Plus ensures smooth, stable videos even during rapid movements. Whether you're recording action-packed scenes, live streaming, or simply walking, this gimbal delivers consistently steady footage. The Hohem Joy app complements the hardware with AI tracking, gesture controls, and creative shooting modes such as panorama, time-lapse, and cinematic effects. It simplifies the filming process, making it beginner-friendly while offering enough advanced options for experienced users. Number 5. AOCHUAN 3-Axis Phone Gimbal. The AOCHUAN 3-Axis Phone Gimbal is a powerful, versatile stabilizer ideal for Samsung S24 Ultra users who want steady, professional-grade footage at a budget. More robust than many smartphone gimbals in its category, it supports a generous 250-gram payload, while maintaining a lightweight, foldable design. Weighing only 0.78 pounds, it's perfect for travel, vlogging, and daily videography. Its standout feature is the Smart 7.0 anti-shake system, powered by brushless motors and an advanced stability algorithm. Ergonomic anti-slip handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip, while one-click switching between horizontal and vertical modes makes it easy to create content for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. The integrated video button quickly toggles modes, enhancing efficiency during shoots.